Good morning. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. I'm on the way to get some breakfast so we can eat. Get some breakfast this morning. I hope you're having a wonderful Christmas, because I am. Just want to take y'all along with me to get something to eat. I'm gonna go to IHOP, you know, my go-to place. I love me some IHOP. So we're gonna go there and get something to eat. I'm gonna take you guys with me to get something to eat. So we have a lot of stuff planned for today. Well, not a lot of stuff, but it's more like a relaxing day today. So we're gonna eat breakfast in our Christmas pajamas, but I had to get dressed because I'm gonna get something to eat. But everybody's in their Christmas pajamas. We got we're gonna do the gingerbread house today, cookies, movie, and then at nighttime we're going to a Christmas dinner. We're going to Animal Kingdom Lodge Resort or whatever it's called. We're going to go there to eat Christmas dinner with all the Mickey characters, and it's going to be exciting. So I'm so excited to go. Oh, I ain't got no earrings on this morning. I always keep like a set of earrings in each car. That's just something I do. So we're gonna go get some breakfast. IHOP is not that far from us. It's like right up the road, so that's why I choose IHOP. But we got like a IHOP, a Denny's, a Waffle House, but they don't like that food. So here we go. Alright, you guys, I'm about to go get the food. Should be time. I waited like at least 30 minutes. So I'm about to go get the food. I'll be back. Y'all, so many people in IHOP right now. So many people. Gotta figure out how to get back home now. Oh, I know where it's at. I know where it's at. Because we don't even have any high chairs, so we put them in their car seats and feed them. They'll be swarming all over the place. You want to say something? Say, I want some food.
The game is full.
About to finish eating. Ooh. 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 So we made it back home. We're eating. Ooh, bless you. Got our matching pajamas on. Emma's down there. So let's open this first.
Move these out of the way.
And you open that. Open the cookies.
I'm opening it.
I'm gonna open these.
Okay.
Don't break it.
Do it. My nails are too nice.
Okay, so what are you gonna make? I'm gonna make a.
I'm gonna make this guy.
Alright, so let's make one Christmas tree. Christmas tree.
No, you.
And I got one Christmas tree and I got one of these.
You get that. How are you?
You're doing the eyes first?
Ah! Put some back. I'm gonna put some back because I got too much. I need two for the eyes. Not purple. I need red. One purple. Ah, Mommy, I need help to put this back in.
Leave it on the thing.
Mommy, why are you copying me on the gingerbread?
I'm not copying you.
No, you're keep doing the icing. You're copying me. You're doing the gingerbread. I'm doing the gingerbread too. How do I know you're gonna do the gingerbread?
Because you're done gingerbread first.
Okay. I'm gonna get this. And you need 3 for the belly. Okay.
Hold on. Stop eating, Isaiah. Hurry up.
I went on my hands. That's why I looked at. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna eat it. Why?
Gotta show it to them first.
Here's mine, gingerbread. Can I show you a gingerbread?
Okay, hold on. I'm not done. You know what I mean?
Here's my Christmas tree. What?
That's a lot.
It's a lot of icing? I'll eat it.
Alright.
I already showed mine. I showed them to it.
This one is mine. This one is mine.
This one is mine. Now we can eat them.
Now we do the gingerbread.
Oh.
All right, you guys, we are ready to go. We have on our burgundy and my brown shoes, and the girls have on burgundy and everything. I'm gonna show you them in a second. So we headed to our Christmas dinner. We're gonna go to the Animal Kingdom Lodge. We're gonna eat there at the restaurant for Christmas. So we're gonna take you guys along. So hope you enjoyed this video so far. So here you go. You gonna show me your outfit? She just got finished crying, so she had one, the outfit from Pat Pat, the skirt, and then the onesie, the burgundy onesie, and then the bow, which she doesn't like. Make it cricket, mama. So you make it cricket. You want to say something? Say we're gonna eat, mama. Say we're gonna eat. You wanna eat? She's just looking. And Emma has done the same thing where she's sleeping. Say you ready? You not gonna say anything? All right, I guess that's our cue. Let's go eat. Say bye. Okay, all right, let's go, you guys. You dress down to the T.
Now show mommy.
Okay. Back up. You gotta get my whole outfit. All right, right there, right there. Go all the way down. Okay, give it here.
That was Daddy's
You
turn.
didn't do it. So we had some ribs, ham, some salmon, mashed and gravy, and then I'm trying some white rice and some lamb stew. She's pretty good, and then some sauce I want to try out. What you got? Chicken tenderloin, macaroni. And the girls are eating mashed potatoes. Eric hasn't come back yet.